Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be reviewing KIDSNEED mole and Wart removal laser pen. It claimed to remove moles, warts and skin tag at home. No doctor, no big bills. Sounds like a dream, right? But let's take a closer look. The first red flag. The site says the company has been around 8 years, but the domain was created in May 2025. So someone lying. They also claim FDA and CE approval, but the certificate images used on multiple unrelated websites. It is likely fake. The site shows doctor endorsing the product, but reverse image searches reveal those photos are stock images, not real endorsements. Even their social media buttons don't work. And their claims of 90,000 testimonials. There are nothing on Trustpilot, Reddit, or anywhere else. Final thought. KidsNEED mole and wart removal razor pen shows too many red flags, like fake claims, no proof, and no legit reviews. And consult your doctor first. So that's all for this video. Please like this video and also subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.